Hello everybody. Japanese digital dentistry conference. Let's go. They have temperature control. One of our purpose to join this conference is to know and search about the quality of 3D printer. There are many 3D printers and the quality is very good, so we are so happy. This is polycarbonate disc for temporary crown. This is for CAD/CAM milling. First day finished. How do you feel today?
It was so interesting.
I learned repository. Yes, that is very important. And I also learned artificial intelligence using supervised and unsupervised machine learning. じゃあ行きましょう。